So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about fighting disease. Ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is a very important topic for your biology. Also, at the end of this very video, you will have a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Here today, we'll just focus on the mechanism the body makes use of to fight diseases. So in subsequent videos, we'll discuss vaccination and drugs. So our body has features that stops that could cause diseases from entering our body in the first place. For instance, the skin acts as a barrier against pathogens. It also secretes some antimicrobial substances which could kill pathogens. The hair and mucus in your nose also trap particles which could contain pathogens. The trachea and the bronchi also secrete mucus to trap pathogens. The trachea and the bronchi are also lined up with cilia, which is a hair-like structure that wafts the mucus up to the back of the throat where it can be swallowed. Finally, the stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which kills pathogens that are able to make it far from the mouth. So again, if the pathogen makes it to your body, your immune system can attack and destroy the pathogen. So the most important part of your immune system is your white blood cell. They travel all around through your blood and every part of your body, constantly patrolling for microbes. And when they come across any invading microbe, they have three lines of attack. First is they can engulf the foreign cells and digest them. This is known as phagocytosis. The second line of action is by producing antibodies. Now you need to know that every invading pathogen has unique molecules called antigen on its surface. So when certain type of white blood cells come across certain foreign antigens, they start to produce some proteins called antibodies. These antibodies will lock on the invading foreign cells so that they can be found by other white blood cells and destroyed. The antibodies produced are usually specific to that antigen, so they will not lock onto other types. The good thing is, once the person gets infected by these pathogens again, the body then rapidly produces antibodies to kill it. So this makes the person naturally immune to these pathogens. So the third way the immune system attacks pathogens is by producing antitoxins to counteract the effect of the toxins produced by bacteria. Alright guys, so we have a biology exam revision question for you here. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.